This is my breaking point. Have long hair, they said. It will be fun, they said. Ugh, liars. How dare you lie to me like that? So many people were telling me, don't you dare cut it! Now that I think about it, all of them have short hair. And they were right. They were so right. It's pretty useless. Hello, lovely people. How are you guys doing? What's up? This is not going to be one of those videos that you see people cutting their hair, questioning and regretting their decision every step of the way. No, I really want to do this.
Later that same evening.
I'm scared. I can't do that. So many people are telling me, Denny, don't cut your hair. It's so pretty, it's so beautiful. Yes, it's easy for you to say that because you have a pixie cut. Do you know how it feels to wake up with all of this on your head? That's right. You don't. I don't know who I'm talking to. There is literally nobody there. I want to have a pixie cut one day. I want to feel the freedom. What people don't tell you about having long hair is that it requires professional skills. It requires so much effort to maintain it and style it. And let me tell you, I'm a newbie when it comes to hair. I don't know how to do anything with my hair. I guess that's a good reason why I should not be cutting it myself today.
This is not gonna work.
It's a torture for me at this point. I find myself wearing my hair in a messy bun 95% of the time. And it's boring. It's boring at this point. Hair should not be boring. I didn't destroy my hair throughout my teen years. I have to do it at some point. Now, what's the secret of having this long hair? Whoa! There's no secret. I just did nothing. That's the secret. It was super easy. Didn't cost me anything. One day, approximately like 2 years ago, I went to get a haircut. Cut my hair quite short, and then I just forgot to go back. Apparently, I'm very high maintenance. Yes, that's how I did it. I did nothing. That's the secret. Do nothing. Anyways, today we're gonna follow a haircut tutorial by the king of hair. No, that's actually not right. By the god of hair, Mondo. I watch almost every video he posts, and every time I'm like, can you just teleport here and help me with this mess that I have on my head?
Virtually impossible.
Hairdresser's guide to cutting your own hair and not ruining it. Yes, baby, that's exactly what I need.
Today, you're gonna learn how to cut your own hair at home properly.
Teach me, master. I don't know how much I want to cut it, to be honest with you. Is that a lot? Just to give you an idea of what's going on here, we're currently in lockdown, everything is closed. I don't know when hair salons will be open again. So if I mess up my hair today, I literally have nowhere to go get it fixed. Is this really the best time I should do that? Who cares?
Please blow dry, then fully straighten your hair, bone straight. We're using 4 sections, not 2. That's right.
4 sections. I've also seen so many of his videos. Sometimes if the person has a lot of hair, he recommends that you need to section it in 6 sections. So I'll probably do that. I haven't really washed my hair in a few days. It's really greasy at this point, but I've heard that the more dirty it is, the easier it will be to cut it. I don't know. Anything that I say in this video about hair, don't trust me. I don't know what I'm talking about.
So we're gonna go to the top of the head, and you're gonna lay your comb on there, and you're gonna find where the apex is.
Hold on. That's confusing already. Is that good? I see nothing. Okay, so where is the highest point of my head? There is no high point. My head is flat, unlike Earth. We're gonna just whoop. Is that good? Whoa, this actually looks pretty good. I was born to be a hairstylist. Alright, awesome. Nice. What are we doing next?
Okay, done with step 1. Please make sure your hair is all brushed out or combed out.
Maybe I should separate this into 2 smaller sections. I think that this looks pretty good. Boom, boom, boom. Now is the hard part. Here I'll probably need the help of Dimitri. And he's so bad with hair. Every time I ask him to help me with my hair, he forgets how to use his hands. I separated all my hair in 4 sections actually because it was a little bit easier for me. I asked my boyfriend to help me with the pieces on the back. I'm starting to get nervous. I don't think that I've done the sectioning right. I mean, they look pretty straight, but I don't know.
We are gonna point cut. Now, point cutting is when you go up instead of across, or down, but instead of across. We're not going across. None of this.
I kind of want to practice, okay?
I'm just not ready for all of this. It's just...
I'm not gonna chicken out. I'm not gonna chicken out. I'm scared. You know what? Whatever. I can do it. Come on, how much hair do I have? Guys, I did it.
There's our first cut. Congratulations.
Eee!
Ooh, 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 first cut down, first cut down.
Woohoo! I put one more elastic band here. I thought that that would be useful. I don't know. Oops. No, that's not helping. Oh no! No! I wasn't supposed to cut it like that. No, I was supposed to point cut like this. It's okay. I think that I can fix it. La 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 la, my mom will kill me. La 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 la, my grandma will help her. Alright, going to the back pieces now. These back pieces, that's a lot of hair. That's a lot of hair in one place, but we're gonna try to get rid of it. Yay! My scissors can't handle that. Oh my god, that's not good. Oh no. You're not betraying me right now. It's just hair, okay? I'm not cutting my head off. What am I even doing? Okay, you know what? I'm cutting it straight. Visual representation of the phrase holding on to dear life. What are you doing here? This doesn't look right. I'm gonna try to point cut a little bit. I should probably follow his instructions. He's the professional. He said that we're not cutting like this, and I cut exactly like that. You know what? My greatest talent is creating a mess. I thrive in chaos. What if I cut like straight like that, very closely to that second elastic band that I put, and then I point cut? I mean, what can possibly go wrong if I do that?
Everything.
That's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna cut it straight. Oh my god, that's so much hair. Gone! Woohoo! Yay! Okay, now I'm gonna just point cut. It will be a miracle if I do all that and I don't cut any of my fingers off. Oh guys, I forgot to tell you, I actually have some experience with hair cutting. Yes, I do. So when I was younger, I would usually spend my summers with my grandparents in the countryside. And my grandparents had a few goats. You can already feel where this is going. I just want to tell you that our goats had the best haircuts in the whole village. Even better than some people, okay? You could recognize them from very far away. I was trimming their fur. How do we call the hair of the goats? Fur? Anyways, I was pretty good. Okay, moment of truth. Enough with the goats. So we're just gonna let those elastics down. It's so short. I need some coffee. That was a big sip of coffee. Look at this longer piece. Gone. I want to start laughing because I feel very uncomfortable right now. But guys, that's not bad. I wanted it shorter. Oh my god, it's so short. I can feel the freedom. The freedom. This is better than the haircut I was giving to my grandparents' goats. Oh, I see my skills have upgraded since then. What I'm gonna do with these pieces of hair, I can probably make some makeup brushes. Ew, that's gross. Look at all that hair. Yeah! I did it, baby. I did it. It's very uneven, but I did it. Now this here is the real moment of truth. Oh. Huh. Very interesting. Oh my god, how am I gonna fix that? It's a lot worse than I thought. Why do I have a hair on my lip here? Oh my god, I have so many little tiny hairs. They will haunt me forever. You can see that this front piece is a lot shorter than this one. And I have no idea how to fix that. Like, what am I even doing? It's very uneven. Yeah, I would definitely need to do some touch-ups here. At this point, there is no going back. That's an inch difference. People tend to go crazy over an extra inch. I'm still talking about hair. I don't like that V that I have on the back. He said that if there is a V on the back, it looks weird, so apparently I did something wrong. We knew from the beginning that this would be a disaster, but we tried anyways. I have so many little pieces of hair all over my leggings, and they're poking me. It's so painful. I mean, it's not painful, it's uncomfortable. Oh, okay, I feel like I'm doing something, but I need to try a little bit harder. Let's get rid of that V. But how am I gonna do it? Maybe if I catch my hair like that and I kind of bring it to the front here. Here it is, the V. Whatever. Let's see what he did. Oh yeah, that's better than what I did. Yes, definitely. It's still longer than what I wanted, but I can feel the freedom now. Woohoo! Woo, that's so much better. I think that he's better with hair than me. I think that we should add some layers now.
We're gonna bring the hair back into those 4 sections once again.
4 sections again. Hold on. Not that fast. We are newbies here.
Now we're gonna take the hair and bring it all to the top of our head like this. Super important that there's no tangles.
Okay, and he separated it somewhere here. All right. Ow! My hands are so out of shape for this. Then I'm gonna take this piece of hair, bring it all the way up. Ow! That's one of the reasons I want a pixie cut. Okay, and then we're gonna move. Okay, then we're gonna bloop. Boom.
We're gonna do the same thing, point cutting, all right? And you're just gonna take off that high point. And don't make this perfect. Don't cut it straight across.
Yeah, sure. I can't make it perfect even if I want to. Okay, this is kinda easy. Yeah, everything is easy until you let that hair down. Alright, and last section here. Let's go, baby. I still haven't cut off any of my fingers, so that's a success. Oh, not bad. Not bad at all. The hairdressers watching me right now, you guys are probably losing your mind. I'm sorry for doing that to you. Blame it on the quarantine. Oh my god, my hair feels so much more alive, so much more bouncy. Alright, whoa. I don't remember when was the last time I curled my hair. I missed playing with my hair. Having long hair was not fun. No, it looks so much more alive, so much more fresh. Look how bouncy it is. Woohoo! I actually wanna wait all the hair that I cut off. Is that weird? I bet I cut like 2 kilos of hair. Let me see. Oh, that's kinda disappointing. All of this is only 50 grams of hair. Oh, that's kinda gross. And this is not even all the hair that I cut today. But that's not even all the hair that I cut. I have so many little pieces of hair all over my desk, all over the floor. I have so many little pieces stuck into my leggings, poking my booty. It's so uncomfortable. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I did all of that because I wanted to lose some weight. All of that quarantine weight. How am I supposed to lose it? Watch and learn, take notes. I will send a photo of this to my mom. She will think that they've kidnapped me. If any of you guys are hairdressers, please let me know how the end result looks through your eyes. Through my eyes, it's pretty good. Considering the fact that I had no idea how to do any of this. Let's be honest, it could be worse. Thank you, brand Mondo, for teaching us how to cut our hair without ruining it. We needed that. His video where he's reacting to people dyeing their hair, it kinda makes me wanna dye my hair. And my hair is a virgin, it has never done naughty things like that. Oh my god. Bangs. No, we tried that. Didn't work well. Oh my god, my nose hairs are getting out of control. My ear hairs are also getting out of control. Oh my god, that's the unibrow. Lovely. Ugh. Okay, my face is full of hairs. Anyways, I know that it's time to wrap everything up when I start doing stupid things like that. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, you already know what to do. Smash that like button. I never say that. I don't want you to be aggressive with the like button. You can just gently press it. Just, that's enough. And the best thing that you can do to support my channel is subscribe. It's free. I also have a second channel here on YouTube where I'm posting videos not related to makeup, just anything else that comes to my mind other than makeup. I'm posting it on my second channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!